several areas in Cuba, November 6, 2024.
Mira lo que viene ahí. Mira lo que viene ahí. Poca presión de aire que hay aquí.
Hurricane Rafael poses a direct threat to Cuban territory, with particular emphasis on the western and central parts of the country. Rain and strong winds it passes through the nation. The effects of Hurricane Rafael are beginning to be felt in Cayo Largo del Sur. In just a few hours, the place have damage throughout the territory. We must protect life and resources. Civil Defense has declared a cyclone alert phase for the central western provinces in anticipation of its imminent arrival. Some towns in the mountainous area of Villa Clara are beginning to be cut off. In response to the recent emergency situation caused by Hurricane Rafael, the territory of Villa Clara has managed to protect a total of 13,130 people. Of these, 12,013 are housed in solidarity housing, while 1,117 are sheltered in evacuation centers. Authorities continue to monitor the situation to ensure the safety and well-being of all evacuees. Rain and wind are increasing in the Zapata swamp. The swells are strong, and the gusts have reached higher levels in the last few hours. The impact of Hurricane Rafael is being felt in the southern part of Matanzas. In his X profile, Cuban president reported that the country's meteorological situation has been monitored since early morning. We are in constant communication with the territories that will feel the greatest effects of Hurricane Rafael. We have prepared well and will immediately begin recovery. Stay strong for Cuba residents, the president said. According to information from the Meteorological Institute's Forecast Center, the evolution and trajectory of Hurricane Rafael does not constitute a danger for the provinces of Guantanamo, Santiago de Cuba, Granma, Holguin, Las Tunas and Camagüey, so it was decided to return to normality as of 11 a.m. today in these territories that are in the information phase. In the case of the province of Guantanamo, the municipalities of San Antonio del Sur, Imias, Macy and Baracá continue the recovery process from Hurricane Oscar. The provinces of Pinar del Rio, Artemisa, Mayabeque, Havana, Matanzas, Villa Clara, Cienfuegos, Sancti Espiritu, and the special municipality of the Isle of Youth remain in the alarm phase. Ciego de Avila remains in the information phase. This territory must pay special attention to coastal flooding on the southern coast. The population is advised to stay informed through national, provincial, and municipal media, official social media profiles, and to comply with the instructions given by local authorities and civil defense. It is raining heavily in Manacuragua, one of the places with the highest risks in Villa Clara. A group of radio amateurs and health teams are already located here in the places with the highest risk of being cut off from communication due to the rain. Likewise, the evacuation of people in vulnerable situations has been completed. The reservoirs in the area have the capacity to receive rainfall and runoff from the mountains, although it is expected that the discharge process at the El Negrito Dam may begin in the next few hours. Hurricane Rafael's maximum sustained winds increased to 175 km per hour (km/h), and it could reach Cuba today as a Category 3 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, Prensa Latina reported. This phenomenon should enter Cuba around noon through the south of the western province of Artemisa, with a slight movement towards the west near Playa Magana. The United States National Hurricane Center, NHC, stated in its latest report that the meteorological event is located approximately 95 kilometers southeast of the Isle of Youth and is moving at 22 kilometers per hour. He also noted that at 10 o'clock local time, the center of the meteor was located near latitude 21.4 north, longitude 81.9 west.
Oigan,